Well, it's May 3rd, and the foreman says we gotta go do some stuff. So we're gonna scoop some dirt. Leaves are starting to finally come on the trees. It's over 70 outside. It's pretty amazing today. Last time, I think it just about hit 70 on one day in March, and then today is the next day, like May. April, we didn't hit 70 at all, I don't think. Or if we did, it was that day I just mentioned. But yeah, Eric, he loves watching stuff be scooped and dumped. Some of this is old wood from underneath that wood pile right there. There we go. That's why it looks like wood. All right, Eric, now what? All right, done. You know, sometimes he wants me to play with these logs over here, which is a whole nother story. All right, bud. Oh, we gotta go hit the other log? Oh, see, I didn't do the right order here. Anyway, I think we might go put some rocks down by the stream. All right, we did that. That's good. Let's see, I got some rocks right over here. I got a couple rocks. We'll pick them up, throw them into our bucket up front. Let's do that. 1 second, Aaron. So we're gonna put this down over here. And break out of here. All right, so we'll do some rocks. Move some, not too many, but they're heavy enough. Oh boy. Yeah, this is gonna be not the smallest of rocks. Anyway, no big deal. A couple more. Good. These are flat. We'll leave these here. They're good for patio type stuff. Brick we don't need. What do we got here? A couple more. A couple more. Some of these have been sitting here for a few years for some project. Never got done, so it's all good. We'll kind of see that more. A little bit. Oh, there we go. Got rocks everywhere. Can't hardly dig without finding a rock. That's concrete. Rock. There we go. Alright, you ready? Let's go. Now. So of course we bucket back, bucket up by moving up, which back lifts the bucket and turning it in curls it. Anyway. That's off, that's on. Now we can go back. Alright. Let's go scoop up some more rocks. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. The moss is growing here. Dogwood tree is starting to get a couple buds on it. I always joke that it's May when spring starts, but you know, the poplars usually are going in April. They barely got going. April was kind of cold. So, yeah, here's some more rocks. See if I can't scoop some of these up a little better. And there we go. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Let's see here. There we go. This is concrete. We don't want concrete. It's all falling apart. See, concrete blocks are not meant to sit out in the weather. They eventually fall apart. But rocks kind of last forever. Alright, so those look like little strawberry plants down there, so I'm going to see if they can't stay there. That's concrete. We're not taking it. That's a rock. That's a rock. That's a rock. So maybe we got some stuff here we could do. Old tomato cages. Old patio. Good times. Alright, Eric. Let's see here. Yeah. There we go. There we go. there. This one, there we go. That's good enough. A couple more real rocks. There we go. And this one. And some of these, maybe. Never know when you'll need them. Always keep the rocks. Keep them handy. There we go. A little bit more. This is a rock. This is a real rock. So, there we go. Hard to do this one-handed, but look at how shiny that is. Isn't that cool? It's like super, it's like lots of mica in it. There we go. Got it in there. Whew. Alright. Let's get it down where we want. Curl. Yeah, so we got a couple 100 pounds of rocks now. That's a little bit easier in a vehicle like this than in a wheelbarrow. Eric's all excited. Let's go. But yeah, someday we'll do something with those logs. Again, the poplar trees are growing. It feels nice and warm out, which is great. I'm gonna go down this way. Got a couple choices of paths I can go on, but... And this is one of our nice hemlocks. It's very small and hidden amongst a whole bunch of big pine trees. Got a couple of them out. We still have some up there, but at least it's got some light. That's one of the big ones we got rid of. So that's good. These are the ones that are still here. And then yeah, down here we got our little pond. And God, it's a beautiful day. All right, let's do this. Let's see what we can do with these. I'm gonna dump them out. There's nothing here. Oh well. So these are the rocks we just brought. This is our waterfall. This rock fell in here. Whoa, holy smokes, yeah, it's a little soft. So maybe we'll throw some rocks in to give us a place to stand. That might be good. Give us something to stand on, jeez. Anyhow, here we go. We're gonna put this one on top of that, maybe. We'll see. See how she goes. Oh yeah, see? Now that rock is supported. And then this rock here, it's got some dirt on it, but no big deal. Put that back in here. Right. That's part of it though is, so yeah, basically this rock here, I mean, it wiggles a bit, but it's got that bigger, those couple rocks underneath it. So you can stand here and not fall into the water. We'll deal with these rocks another time. Yeah, good stuff. But yeah, we try to have a little area we can hang out with. There's the bridge. All right, people. Things are growing. Spring's here. Stay safe. Have a good day.